Hello everybody. I wanted to say Happy New Year's, and I hope you guys enjoy this little video I put together. My radiator came in, so I figured I'd put it on and try to show you what it's going to look like. G Plus aluminum radiator. That even sounds cheap. How much is a good radiator for one of these cars? Probably $500, $400 or $500. Real good radiator. This one shipped to my door was $150. So I'm not expecting much. Through the plastic, the little Chinese kid they have welding these things seems to have done pretty good. Pretty. Okay. Yeah, of course, you know, it's just a fat 2-row. See down in there? It don't matter. Is that actually machined? It is. Black. Just a stamped cap, looks like, with a sticker on it. This even got a transmission cooler. It means I don't have to add one now, right? So I'm gonna stick that on there, and after I've got it stuck on there, we'll see what it fits like and stuff. I have to get new radiator hoses. All the ones I have are too long. I want to try to get a formed hose for the lower. Probably just get a shorter flex hose for the top. You know, it's just a universal fit radiator, but I like it. I had to waller out one of these holes just a little bit on both sides, and I had to space the radiator out some, but I got it to where it's fitting pretty good. Wouldn't have had to space it out that much, but I found out my radiator support's bent. G Plus. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.